Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a new vlog. Happy Tuesday. I'm just trying to have a really slow morning, and I think I achieved that. But I do have to kind of pick up the pace because I have about half an hour before I have to leave the house. So I'm just gonna quickly make some food, do a little makeup, because I'm feeling it, and then leave the house. I do have work today, so I might be able to take you through some of that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Adwoa, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I wanted to take you through a few days of my life, you know, working that 9-to-5 startup life. So if you want to see that, keep watching. It was definitely a struggle getting out of bed today. It's gonna be like 30 degrees today, so I think I'm gonna wear a dress. Let's see if I can find something. So I had to close the blinds because it was just too much, but it is 7:53 and I'm gonna leave pretty much right now. I have my breakfast ready to go. So this is I did a very minimalistic makeup look today. So I just did my eyebrows, no liner, which is very odd for me. Like I'm not known, but like I always do a winged liner, and then I just put some lip gloss. So it's one of the Fenty gloss bombs. So this is my outfit. It's just a dress from Blue Notes and then an oversized denim jacket from Banana Republic. I don't know what that is under my bed, but I need to sort that out. The outfit, gotta go to work. Okay, so I'm back home and I went on a little adventure. Because I'm on this like organizing kick. So I got a few things. I got this for cleaning my carpet. I got stain remover because I have makeup all over my carpet. I got a bath mat because the one that I used to have was in my bathroom downstairs and it just didn't bring it up, so got a new one. And then I got this. A girl that I follow on Instagram and TikTok showed this and it looks pretty decent. So, you know, if you want to take product pictures, this is perfect. And then, because I'm a candy fiend, I got sour straws and Skittles. But yeah, it is later in the day and I kind of want to rest for a little bit and then work on editing the video I want to put out tomorrow and kind of finish cleaning, you know, just in case I have any guests over, because I want to showcase my new room. I don't know if I'd do a room tour because it's not that exciting, but Sunday and I'm about to head to the gym and run a few errands. So I just wanted to show you my fit. Just wearing Gymshark as usual. These are the Animal Seamless Parker shorts and then the Vital Seamless Sports Bra. I wanted to do a little bit of a grocery haul since I just got groceries. I'm still trying to figure out where to put my camera because I've never vlogged in my new-ish car. I got some nanners. Why is it wet? Yeah, so got some bananas because I was randomly craving them after the gym today. Smoothie mix. And I wanted to make chicken parmesan, so I got some mozzarella. I have... Why is it so fuzzy? Okay, well, got some mozzarella for the chicken parmesan. Cheddar slices. And then I got these crispy minis. They were 3 for $6, I believe. So I got this flavor. I got ketchup and then barbecue. I got 2 things of Oreo Thins, the best kind of Oreos. Got some ham for lunches. And some water flavors. I got this Berry Burst. It has electrolytes. Oops. And then this Crystal Light one is strawberry lemonade. Sounds bomb. Then I got sliced sourdough bread for lunches. Ground beef for dinner this week or next week. Marinara sauce. I got sweet basil because it just tastes the best. That's for like the chicken parmesan today. 2 things of strawberries because they were 2 for $5. It's a steal. That's everything. So last but not least, I got a thing of booch because I'm a kombucha fiend. And this is a flavor I've never tried. Lychee, I say lychee, and jasmine. I only got it because it's purple. And it's a new flavor that I haven't tried. So that's pretty much what I got. So I did legs at the gym today, and now I am ready to... What is that? I'm ready to go home and make some dinner. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna make like garlic green beans. Yes. Garlicky green beans. I'm not gonna drive with y'all just because it's not safe. And I also just don't have a mount. So talk to y'all when I get home.